Dan here for Windows 101. We're taking a look at the Wagtail Slimline handle. What we have here is one of the great Wagtail products. It's known for its pivot, which makes it really easy and adaptable for pole work. It also works great for walk-ups. So what we have here is an adjustable handle where you can use different channels in it. It's designed to work perfectly with the Wagtail Slimline channels. It'll also work with other popular brands including Steccone aluminums and Ettore brass. So let's put it on the glass and give it a try. So I like how it feels. It's got that great Wagtail pivot. Just a little bit of turning it from side to side, it's going to turn this channel up and down, which makes it really easy to use. It's great for pole work, like I said, and you can also use it for walk-ups. But really the thing about this that makes it unique is that you can change these channels out, and this one tool is going to do a lot of different jobs for you. If you're looking for something that's going to serve you well, make you lots of money, make you more efficient, this is a great choice.